Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making sesame seed and pistachio cookies. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the pistachio and sesame seed cookies. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 1.5 to 2 cups of toasted sesame seeds, 1 cup of pistachios, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup, which I've just made by 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water, boiling it on a stovetop and cooling it down in the fridge. And this is how your cookies should look like. Serve them with a nice cup of chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Now let's give it a go. Who needs a choc chip cookie when you have these little beauties? Happy cooking, everyone!